Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of MS Office Word to uncover some essential text selection shortcuts that will boost your productivity. First, I will show you how to select a line with the mouse. Simply, place the cursor on the left side of the text, then click at the beginning of the line with the mouse's left button to select the current line. Now, I will show you how to select words with the mouse. Simply place the cursor on any word and double-click with the left mouse button to select the word. Now, if you want to select an entire paragraph, then triple-click with the mouse left button, and your entire paragraph will be selected. After that, if you want to select a lot of text, hold the mouse's left button and drag the cursor to where you want to select the text. Now, I will tell you some advanced tricks about text selection using the keyboard and mouse. Hold down the Control key and click anywhere in the text with the mouse. This will select the entire sentence. If you want to select a block of text, click at the beginning of the text block, scroll to the end of the desired text, and hold down the Shift key while clicking at the end point. This will select everything in between. Now, I will tell you about text selection shortcuts using the keyboard. I will show you how to select all documents. Simply, press Ctrl+A to select the entire document. Now, I will tell you how to select a single line of text. Place the cursor at the beginning of the text, then press Shift plus the down arrow key to select the line below. And if you want to select the line above, place the cursor at the end of the text, then press Shift plus the up arrow key to select the above line. Next, I will show you how to select a document character by character. Place the cursor at the beginning of the text, then press Shift plus the right arrow key to select the next character. And press Shift plus the left arrow key to select the previous characters. Now, if you want to select a specific word, place the cursor at the beginning of the word and press Ctrl plus Shift plus the right arrow key to select the next word. And if you want to select a word backward, place the cursor at the end of the word and press Ctrl plus Shift plus the left arrow key, and your word will be selected. Finally, if you want to select an entire paragraph, place the cursor at the beginning of the paragraph and press Ctrl plus Shift plus the down arrow key. And your paragraph will be selected. And if you want to select the previous paragraph, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus the up arrow key. And your paragraph will be selected. Finally, I'll share an amazing shortcut that is very useful when you're working with multiple paragraphs and want to select a specific part of the text. Place your cursor at the starting point of the text you want to select, then press Shift plus page down to select the desired multiple paragraphs or lines. And if you're working at the end of a paragraph and want to select the paragraph above, press Shift plus page up, and the desired paragraph will be selected. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Comment below with your favorite shortcut or any other tips you have. Thanks for watching.